Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do a big, huge shout out to Donnie from BIG DRONE FLYER77 RC. Go check out his channel. I'll leave links down below for him. He did a contest for a Radiolink. Shout out to Radiolink for letting him do this. He was doing a radio giveaway, and I happened to win, and I believe this is what this is. So we're going to open it up real quick and check it out. It is the RC6GS is what's supposed to be in here. So this is cool. So I can hook this up to my speed cars. That long distance. I'm not sure if that has my address on it or not, so we'll hide that. I know the box does, that's why I'm kind of keeping it down. But there you go, guys. Yeah, this is it. And it's the V3. So 7-channel, 600 meter ground distance. 7-channel programmable dual mix control, timer, FPV, head, track function, compatible with TBS, crossfire module, gyro, and so it's got the gyro and the receivers. I'm not sure if this comes with a receiver or not. So this one holds up to 30 models, which is cool. Cruise control system, FS self-setting, custom gyro sensitivity. So it's got a lot of features, and you can put a 2S to 4S LiPo in there, or 6 AAA batteries to power it, which is cool. You just throw a LiPo in there. It's got a little plug in there, which we'll show you. Yeah, so let's open this bad boy up and see what came inside it. Hopefully it came with a receiver too. That'd be cool. Always need more receivers for your cars, you know. I try to keep mine on like 4 different controllers if I can. So here's your manual. It's huge. It's probably in a couple different languages too. But you get a lot of, if you go onto YouTube, you can find a lot of directions on how to use this. Oh yeah, it did come with one. Cool. So it came with the R7FG receiver, which is awesome. It has a gyro in it. All the ones that say G on them, they have a gyro in them. So that's cool. And it's got the battery. So if you like my crawlers take XT60s, so if you plug this into here, into this port, and then you plug your battery into this side and then your ESC into this side, it'll read to your controller how much battery you have left in it. So all my smaller cars have these, and I did make a big one too, but a nice linear. And then here's the radio. Radio. So sweet. It's just like my old one. I do have the V2. It was starting to get pretty beat up though. So we'll make sure this works. Get your on off switch here. You can do plug in to do your updates here. It's got a USB, looks like a micro USB. I think this is for like your FPV. Got a channel here, which this is for your gyro too. So if you have your gyro on, this is how you adjust it. You got your steering trim, your throttle trim. This is an auxiliary right here. You have 3-way switches here, in here. And then you have a button here, and a button here. So there's all sorts of crazy buttons on this thing. So, but yeah, I'm gonna make this for my speed car. This is just gonna be for my speed cars, which I have a couple. So this will be perfect. Nice newer one. The other one's been used and abused. Been dropped a few times. Still works good, but they're actually pretty strong. And then down here on the bottom, here's your 6 AA batteries. But you can pop this out right here. It's not positive exactly how. There we go. Pop this out. See how it's got the plug. You pull that plug out, and then you just need a LiPo with a JST plug. And you just plug it in like that, right into there, and put it in there. And then I have a little piece of foam that I stick in there, depending on your battery size, and it works perfect. Then you can just keep charging over and over your battery. You know, you don't have to keep buying AA batteries. You can buy a couple, you know, 2S that'll fit in here, or 3S that'll fit perfect in there. You won't have to worry about it for a while. So there you go, guys. Big shout out to Donnie. Big Drone Flyer77 RC. I'm gonna leave links down below. He's got Instagram. Go check him out on Instagram. I believe he's on Facebook too. Go check him out. And then I'll leave Radiolink down below too. They got a website or a YouTube channel and all that. You can go check them out. They always have little things dropping all the time too. So if you guys are interested in doing like little giveaways or getting trying to get into a giveaway, Radiolink does it all the time. I think I've won a drone from them once before, a year ago or so. So there you go, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks everybody for watching, and stay tuned to see this thing hooked up to a speed car. I'm gonna hook it up to my TT02 and try that out. I don't think I need the whole extension on this one. This should be good for that perfectly. So now I'm rambling. All right. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.